Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa amma ba'd. In the previous lesson, we learned about the long vowel sounds. The first long vowel sound is the vertical zabar. Second is the vertical zair. And the third is the reversed pesh. How do we pronounce these long vowel sounds? As the name is long, so we have to drag the letters. We have to read them a little long. Okay. The short vowel sounds, the harakat, zabar, zair, pesh, are to be read smoothly and quickly. But the long vowel sounds, the vertical zabar, the vertical zair, and the reversed pesh, are to be dragged a little. Okay. So just like zabar and zair, the pesh is also of two kinds. That is the normal pesh and one is the reversed pesh. So let's start reading. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif, reversed pesh, u. Ba, reversed pesh, bu. Ta, reversed pesh, tu. Sa, reversed pesh, su. Jim, reversed pesh, ju. Ha, reversed pesh, hu. Kha, reversed pesh, khu. Dal, reversed pesh, du. Zal, reversed pesh, zu. Ra, reversed pesh, ru. Za, reversed pesh, zu. Sin, reversed pesh, su. Shin, reversed pesh, shu. Sod, reversed pesh, su. Dod, reversed pesh, du. Ta, reversed pesh, tu. Za, reversed pesh, ru. Ain, reversed pesh, ru. Ghain, reversed pesh, gu. Fa, reversed pesh, fu. Qaf, reversed pesh, qu. Kaf, reversed pesh, ku. Lam, reversed pesh, lu. Mim, reversed pesh, mu. Noon, reversed pesh, nu. Waw, reversed pesh, wu. Ha, reversed pesh, wu. Hamza, reversed pesh, u. Ya, reversed pesh, you. Then we have the exercise. Do the hijra of the first line. Okay. Kaf, zair, ki, ta. Vertical zabar, ta. Kita. Ba, zabar, ba. Kitab. Ha, reversed pesh, hu. Kitabahu. Qaf, zair, qi. Ya, alif, zabar, ya. Qiya. Okay, I have not introduced you to this. You can see that there is ya, zabar, ya, but there's alif joined with the ya, and the alif doesn't have anything. Not zabar, not zair, no pesh, and not even a question sign. So what you have to do is you have to join the alif with the ya. You can say ya along with alif, then zabar. Okay. So ya, alif, zabar. Ya, zabar is ya, but ya, alif, zabar is ya. It is equivalent to the vertical zabar. Like ya, vertical zabar is ya. Similarly, ya, alif, zabar is also ya. Qiya. Okay. Inshallah, we will learn this later on. Those are also three long vowel sounds which we are going to learn inshallah in the next lessons. So qaf, zair, qi. Ya, alif, zabar, ya. Qiya. Mim, pesh, mu. Qiyamu. Ha, reversed pesh, hu. Qiyamuhu. Mim, zabar, ma. Ain, zabar, a. Ma'a. Ha, reversed pesh, hu. Ma'ahu. Alif, vertical zabar, a. Mim, pesh, mu. Amu. Ra, pesh, ru. Amuru. Ha, reversed pesh, hu. Amuruhu. Kha, zair, khi. Khi. There should be a coughing sound. Kha, zair, khi. Ta, vertical zabar, ta. Khita. Mim, pesh, mu. Khitamu. Ha, reverse pesh, hu. Khitamuhu. I am repeating the first line. Kitabahu. Qiyamuhu. Ma'ahu. Amruhu. Khitamuhu. fisaluhu, amaluhu, lahu, yarahu, ibaduhu, indahu, indahu, ain nun zir ain, dal zabar the ain the ha reverse pesh hu, indahu, subhanahu, rizquhu, yalvuna. It is ya lam zabar yal, wow reverse pesh wu, yalvu, nun zabar na, yalvuna, yastavuna, yastavuna, vuriya, vuriya, wasaqahu, wasaqahu, Dawood. Here also there is the alif. Okay, so you have to join the alif. Dal alif zabar da, wow reverse page wu, Dawood. Then you have rasuluhu, rasuluhu, maw'udatu, maw'udatu, sadrahu, warithahu, ni'amahu, at'amahu, at'amahu, falahu, qabdatuhu, qabdatuhu, ansharahu, ansharahu. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.